In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time out someone on Discord. The timeout feature is one of the most useful moderation tools available on Discord. It allows moderators to temporarily restrict a member from participating in conversations without removing them from the server. During a timeout, the member won't be able to send messages, react to messages, or join voice and stage channels, making it an effective way to handle rule violations while giving the user an opportunity to cool down. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply a timeout, remove it if necessary, and enable the required permission for your moderators. To begin, locate the member you want to time out. You can find them in the server's member list, inside a voice channel, or by right-clicking on one of their messages in a text channel. Once you've found the correct user, right-click on their username to open the context menu. From the available options, select Timeout. Discord will then display a menu where you can choose how long the timeout should last. Select the duration that best fits the situation. If you're unsure how long to choose, selecting a longer duration is generally a safe option because the timeout can always be removed before it expires if needed. Next, you'll have the option to enter a reason for the timeout. This step is completely optional, but it's helpful for keeping moderation actions organized, especially if multiple moderators manage your server. Once you've entered a reason or decided to leave it blank, click Confirm to apply the timeout. As soon as the timeout is active, the member will no longer be able to send text messages, react to messages, connect to voice channels, or join stage channels. If they're already connected to a voice or stage channel when the timeout is applied, Discord will disconnect them immediately. Once the selected timeout period expires, all of the member's previous permissions will automatically be restored. If you decide to end the timeout early, simply right-click on the member's username again and choose Remove Timeout. Their normal permissions will be restored immediately. For moderators to use this feature, the proper server permission must be enabled. Click your server title, open Server Settings, and go to the Roles section. Select the moderator role you want to edit, then open the Permissions tab. Use the search bar to search for Timeout and enable the timeout member's permission. If you're concerned about giving moderators too much authority, you can leave kick members and ban members disabled while still allowing them to use timeouts. Save your changes and close the settings. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to time out someone on Discord and how to give your moderators permission to use this feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.